All right, traders, market update time. We're going to look at the S&P, we're going to look at the Dow, we're going to look at the silver and gold market, we're going to look at Bitcoin, we're going to look at all these different markets as well too. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Guys, before I do start, guys, I am running a live event this Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. Sydney time. It is live. It is not an automated webinar. I am not doing replays, so make sure you turn up, okay? This live event is about the 7 universal laws of becoming an amazing trader, becoming a master trader. Throughout my 13 years of trading experience and being mentored by my private mentor who makes $3 to $5 million pretty much every single year and actually grows that pretty much every single year, I've learned some amazing things. You're going to learn the 7 universal laws of becoming a master trader in your trading. You're going to learn what to focus on, powerful trading strategies, how to find your edge, trading, how to have a trading style, fit your overall lifestyle, how to control everything, so much more. Anyway, guys, very first link in the description, go click on that. I'm running a free event. You're going to learn the 7 universal laws of becoming a master trader. Anyway, guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky, it can cause substantial financial loss. This video here is educational only. I do not know your personal situation or personal circumstance, so do not place trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Anyway, guys, as I said before, very first link in the description, go click on that and I'll go register for my free training, my live training. I'll be able to talk to you one-on-one, answer Q&A and so on, and everything and so on and so forth. Anyway, guys, let's get straight into today's video. All right, so what do we have here, guys? We have the Dow Jones. Now, what's happened with the Dow Jones? Now, the Dow Jones has done what? It has continued to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, right? We've continued to, let me go back to the 3-month chart. So we've continued to move up from here, right? So we had a bit of a pullback through here, sideways, 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 a nice update through there. And then the market continued up, rallying right up. And now it's had a bit of a pullback again, once again. And now it's trying to go through a bit of a rally. So it's interesting to see what actually happens through here. Do we actually start to roll over through here? Or do we break up the new highs and continue running up through this entire enormous move up? So do we continue up from here? Or do we break down? If we break down, it's a bit of a lower high. That's if the bit of a lower high. And that being said, we should make our way back down towards this 2300, 23.5 level on that there. Moving on to the S&P 500. Pretty much a very similar thing as well too. Market went up sideways, sideways, sideways. Bam, nice upward movement. And not obviously on that nice upward movement, we had a bit of an increase in volume as well too. And as you get a couple of days later, it actually moved up as well too. We pop back down now, pop back up. What's going to happen here next? What do you guys think? I'd like to see what you guys think about the Dow Jones and the S&P. Do we make new highs on the markets, or do we start to roll over here? At least for a short term, I have a bit of a pullback towards my 52 moving average. What do you guys think is going to happen? Anyway, let's go have a look at silver and gold, and I'll get to your guys' favorite Bitcoin in just a minute. All right, so as I'm bringing this up here, guys, remember, guys, click on the very first link in the description. Go register for my 7 Universal Laws live event. Do that right now, guys. All right, now, looking at what do we have here? We have silver price. Now, obviously, as we know, silver has continued to rally down and drop down to where we are right now. We are continuing to break out of this level through here, and it's really interesting if you look at the projection level where you measure from the high point down to this low point through here. What do you see? If you project this out and down, what do you actually get? This is exactly where it ran to, and it actually stopped. So that's where it actually sideways broke out of this here. Where did it run to? It ran straight to its projection. Now, if I squeeze my chart up here, I do believe we are going to run these stops down here. Meaning I believe we're going to get a little bit of a rally through here. And then what's going to happen is, this is just what I believe anyway, it may not happen. We get a little bit of rally through here, and then we're going to run down these stops. We're going to run there's a whole bunch of stops down here right now, I guarantee it. Then what's likely to happen, then we're likely to start getting a nice move back up. And if we do get that, guys, if we do get this little run down through here, then guess what? That is a total bear trap, and bam, we are likely to start seeing a nice upward movement from there. Let's continue on through here. Let's go have a look at the gold price as well too. What's happening with the gold price? Again, what do we have here? We have a projection from there to there. This is the daily chart. From there to there. What do we have up here? Let's actually project this up from the top there, down through to the bottom there. Let's actually project this down, and therefore look where this is down here. So look where, to me, gold is actually is likely to continue down to around about the 12,300 level, 12,000 or 12,000 basically down to the 12,400 level. I believe we're likely to start continue down to complete this overall projection level and continue down, breaking past these levels through here and continue to break down from there. So that's what I do see here, guys, on the actual gold price as well too. Again, guys, let me know what you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys think silver and gold is likely to start bottoming out here and start to rally? Or do we think it's a bit of a die action from silver and gold and we're likely to just continue down, at least for the short term? Again, guys, let me know what you think in the actual chat box itself. Now, let me talk about the one and only emotional Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Let me actually bring up my little Bitcoin. My little Bitcoin. Yeah, it's so little, isn't it? Let's go to a line chart through here. Let's go to my daily chart. And you know what, guys? I actually did do a video up here at, say, I think it's around 1100. Said a bubble's a bubble. And and the Bitcoin has continued going up. Did I get it wrong? No, I did not get it wrong, right? What I said in those videos is a bubble is a bubble, and you don't know. As I said before, I don't want to short this market right now, but you don't know where the bubble is going to end. Right? Again, the thing about a bubble is that the bubble can keep going and going and going and going and going, and then suddenly pop out of nowhere, the bubble gets inflated. Right? And I believe that's what's going to happen with Bitcoin. That's the reason why, guys, I've been saying, but Bitcoin is a massive bubble. It still is a massive bubble. The thing about a bubble, guys, you got to understand is you don't know when the bubble's going to end. You could just get an alert, a warning to say, okay, this is now a bubble. And the thing about a bubble is that sometimes it's too late to get out when you actually start to see this. And as you can see, this big vertical spike through here, guys, it's a big massive bubble, right? It's a big massive bubble. Again, guys, I don't know how far this is going to continue up before getting a nice decent pullback out of this. I don't know how far this is going to blow, and that's the problem with picking a bubble, right? A bubble, when you see a bubble in charts, like, oh, how far is this going to go? You just don't know, right? And the bubble can just get inflated and inflated and inflated and just keep going and going and going, right? So that's the reason why you never short a bubble market, or you never short a strong market, right? Oh, there's no way I'll be shorting, because I know I can actually go there and actually start to short Bitcoin right now. And I know that I can go in there and start to do the futures market, because I know the futures market, I think the futures market starting to open today, I think it is. Anyway, what do you guys think? Leave it in the chat box. What do you guys think about Bitcoin? Does the futures market open up right now? Also about options. Let me know about the option price, because I was interested in trading options on Bitcoin. And also, guys, let me know what you think about it in the chat box. Let me know, do you guys think this is going to continue rallying up? If so, how far? Or do you think this is really just getting too crazy right now, and the bubble is likely to be started inflated, at least a 50% pullback, maybe get a pullback to 1200 or something. What do you guys think? I'd be interested to see what you guys think. I don't know. To me, Bitcoin's a massive bubble, and again, you just don't know how far that's going to be inflated. So let me know what you guys think about it in the chat box. Do you think it's going to continue up, or do you think it's going to continue down, or go down? Yeah, I'm not sure, but let me know what you guys think. Or what I do know is that this is a bubble, and I do believe this is likely to start pulling back real quick. So anyway, guys, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, like this video up, and also very first link in the description, click on that to come and see me live. This is where I'm going to talk to you, but I'll walk you through the 7 universal laws to becoming a master trader in your trading. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you soon.